फ्रूट सर्विंग, बिकॉज वो चीज आपकी वो क्रेविंग थोड़ी सी डाई डाउन हो जाए. यू हैव टू वेट अ लिटिल बिट. फोर्थ स्टेप एंड द फिफ्थ स्टेप इज टू eat a proper balanced meal. The proper balanced meal is you have to eat 1 or 2 servings of protein. If you have to eat carbs, good source of carbs. अब आप उसमें आप 5 नान या 6 नान या 10 नान या 300 grams of rice नहीं खा सके. You cannot eat 300 grams of rice. You have to eat like 150, 140, 120 depending on your weight, depending on your height. So that is very important. If you follow these 5 steps, you will have the most benefits of the fasting, because हम ज़्यादातर समझते हैं कि fasting से हमें रिजल्ट्स आएंगे. Fasting is a protocol that gives us weight loss, fat loss, but if you don't eat proper, if you don't use these 5 steps, you won't get the 100% results. So I hope this has always helped me. This has always worked for me. So if it's working for me, most of the time it will work for you.